Hello, and welcome to my show, where we are going to make tortang talong. All you're gonna need is 2 eggplants, 2 eggs, pepper, salt, red pepper, garlic, some cooking oil. Now first, what you want to do is set your eggplants down on your baking sheet and puncture them. You can be quite generous with this. This is to aerate them, let the moisture escape while you're cooking. Now, you take them, and we put them in, set it to bake, put the timer from anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes, 15 minutes. Now, we wait. Now you're gonna want to get your 2 eggs and scramble them. You should dispose of the egg shells into the compost, because that's a good way to fertilize your plants. And it's cheap. Now you're gonna want to add your salt and pepper and other spices, garlic powder and red pepper. When the eggplant is done, you're going to want to take it out and start peeling it. I'm using a fork. All you have to do is puncture the skin again, and then tear it like this so. And now you can just grab it, see that? Peel like a charm. Repeat this until you find it. Once you're done peeling it, you're going to want to take it now and soften it by creating pores and smash it. Now we're going to cook it. So start up your pan on medium, and now the canola oil, medium to low heat. Just grab one, dip him in, make sure he gets all coated. Transfer. Looks good. Now you can flip it when it's dark. And you can grab it by the head here. Oh!
Oh!
Use a fork and stir. Now we flip. Boom!
Go.
Don't stand over the stove, or you might get burnt by the hot oil. Ah! Yeah, got a little burnt. Ow!
Big fail.
Hey. Serve this meal with some rice and some ketchup. Looks good. Mmm.